Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. And today, this is my second video about PhD admission for June 2021 season. Okay, so guys, in this video, I will discuss about the PhD notification of Indian Institute of Science. So guys, all the students of our country, those who are really motivated for research in the domain of science. So guys, as a research institute, Indian Institute of Science Bangalore is the best research institute in India, and it is one of the best research institute in the world also. So guys, I will tell you all the necessary information in this video. So please watch this video till the end and share this video with your friends. Okay. And those who are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I will upload any videos. So guys, this is the home domain, okay, of Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, and you have to go admission section or announcement section, okay, and look admission 2021 admission portal for applying to various program at ISC is opened on 22nd February. Okay, so click on important dates. Look guys, online submission of applicants actually opens like from 22nd February. Okay, and last date, okay, last date, that is 31st first March. And look guys, they actually, in this video I will mainly discuss about the management PhD program in management. So guys, IISc Bangalore is the institute for science student, okay, but for humanities and social science student, okay, humanities and social science student can apply for PhD in management program. Okay, I will show you uh, like this. Just you can go for program section, and this is the PG course program. You can see this, but PG research program, you have to click on it, and this research program, okay, PhD program, okay, just click on the middle section and you will see every subject, okay, you will see every subject, okay. So it is one of the best institute for research program, okay. So you can apply, but just I want to tell you about this domain, okay, this management studies, okay, this MG. Actually, I am making this video for all domain, okay. It may be like for like science, engineering, and humanities and social science also. So guys, those students who are like those who are viewers of my YouTube channel, they can apply in this domain, okay, those who are from psychology background and so on. Look guys, like, why I am making this video, because really I want to help you guys. Basic qualification, you can see basic qualification: BE, BTech degree or equivalent degree in any discipline. Okay, if you are like engineering background student, like if you have BTech degree, BE degree, being like bachelor in engineering, so you can apply. But those who are from like general degree uh, university, like those like who have completed their master's program in commerce, economics, okay, psychology, okay, and so on, so they can also apply for PhD in Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. Okay, look guys, so master degree in policy studies, master degree in economics, commerce, okay, psychology, okay, operation research, okay, so all the students from this domain, they can apply. Okay, area of research, you can see this area of research, like these are the research area, like public policy, organizational behavior, okay, economics, industrial economics, for economic student finance, okay, these are the domain for research program. Energy and environment policy and management, so these are different program, okay, where you can apply. So I think guys, this video will be very very helpful guys. Okay, so I am making this video for all the students who are from different background. Okay, because everyone the students of our country always uh, like try to get admission. First priority is IISc Bangalore. Okay, after that you can go for IIT Bombay. Okay, so guys, you can see this all the subjects like biochemistry, molecular biology, there are so many PhD subjects are there. Okay, you can see, look, valid gate score for every program. Okay, but those who have like look, masters this program, okay, psychology, management, commerce, operation research, computer science, you can apply. So guys, this is very very important information for you guys, and I want to show you something more about like important dates. Look, one second. So you can, the last date, look, last date 31st March. Okay, so these are the last date for PhD interview also. You can uh, apply. I will show you how you can apply. One second. So you can click here, you will get this two page. This page, you will see this type of interface during your application, so you have to click on it. Okay, and you will see this apply to PG program. Okay guys, remember one thing, so PG program means here you will see like PhD and others program also, so just click on it. Okay, you will see this, you have to register first. If you are new user, you have to register first here. When your registration will be completed, so your ID and password you can use here for login, and after that you have to like fill up the form, and I will show you how you can fill up the form. Okay, so I think this information is very very helpful. Okay, one more important information I want to show you, like one second. Look, fees and scholarship. Guys, these are the scholarship and fellowship. Okay, if you like get a chance to take admission in IIT in ISC Bangalore, so for first 2 years you will get this amount 1,000, and for the remaining years you will get 35,000. Okay, so this is a very good information, and you will get other scholarship also. So guys, thank you, all the best. Okay, so I'll come many more videos regarding PhD admission for June session 2021 season. So all the best. Thank you. Tata bye.